Hey guys, today I want to show you how to get that timber post look without the ongoing maintenance or the cost. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes. Welcome to the Art of Renovation. So here we have a renovation we just wrapped up, an exterior of this nice home, and the client really loves that look of the big timber posts and beam detail. The issue was they've had some problems in the past with maintenance on their siding products and wanted something that was very low maintenance or no maintenance, but still had that look. So we opted to go with a product called Luxe, and it's a steel siding product. It does have a wood grain printed onto it, but it's a beautiful product. It's very low maintenance. You can then go and fur out or build out the beams or posts, whatever size you want, and you get them cladded. And it looks a great look, a very nice finish, very easy to clean. In this case, we have some aluminum cladding on the beams to give contrast with the black beam detail. And then we have these nice timber-like post details. So it's a great product to use. Nice way to mix it up too, without having to get into the cost or maintenance of using real timber logs. So if you have questions about how to do this to your home or questions about renovations in general, please do reach out. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Have a great one.